Hi there, friends! Look at all these beautiful colors and numbers. Oh wait, all the numbers are gone. Where could they be hiding? Let's find them together and put them back where they belong. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, what do we have here? Yummy, it's an ice cream cone. And here is a scoop of mint ice cream. Shall we try to open it? 1, 2, 3, pop. Oh, look, there is something hidden inside. These are green pieces. One is a square, and the other is our very first number. Yes, it's number 1. Let's put it in its place and add 1 green square. Well done. Repeat after me. 1. Great job. Quack, quack. Who is jumping over to see us? It's a happy green frog on a lily pad. Let's see what the frog has in its tummy. Open wide and... Yay! There is number 2! A beautiful green number 2. Let's take a closer look and put it in its little home. Now we need the rings for number 2. One and 2. We have 2 green rings. Now number 1 isn't lonely in the table anymore. Next, we have a yellow poppet. This is so much fun, isn't it? Pop, pop, pop! But wait, something appeared under the poppet. There are some yellow shapes in our next number. Do you recognize it? That's right, it's number 3, and 3 yellow triangles. And what about this pink box? Let's try to put the shapes inside. The cube goes into the square, the flower into the flower, the cylinder into the circle, and the triangle into its place. And now, magic. When we open the box, we find an orange number 4 and 4 orange stars to go with it. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. Now, let's pop number 4 into the chart. You are doing amazing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look, we have colorful bowls and so many animals. Let's take the red tweezers and get to work. Into the first one, the orange bowl, we'll put this 1 orange bunny. And now the purple bowl. That's where the 2 purple frogs belong. 1 and 2. Moving on to the green bowl. Inside, we'll hide 3 green parrots. 1, 2, and 3. And what about this blue bowl? 4 blue monkeys are already excited to go inside. Let's tuck them in, one by one. Only the last one is left, the red bowl. This one is for 5 red bears. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 little bears. All the animals are now in their homes. Look, a big red number 5 appeared in the red bowl, and with it, 5 red pentagons. Let's place the number 5 into the puzzle and slide all the pentagons onto the stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what's hidden in these eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's open the purple one. It's a purple number 6, and it comes with this interesting shape, a trapezoid. Let's keep opening. There's 1 piece in the green egg, another in the red one. Let's check the pink one. Then the yellow, and finally, we'll open the blue egg. Each one had a little surprise for our puzzle. Now, let's put our purple number 6 in its place with the other numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Done! Look at this beautiful bee house. Colorful bees live inside. Let's take the blue tweezers and help them return home. First, the light blue bee goes into the blue honeycomb, and right after her, the dark blue bee. And purple bee. Buzz, buzz. Now it's time for the green bee. Hop, and it's in the green one. And what about this pink one? Straight into the pink house. Only two are left, the red bee and the cheerful orange bee. All of them are now safe at home. Look what appeared on the roof. It's a purple number 7, and with it come these purple hearts. Let's put the number 7 into our chart with the others and slide all 7 hearts onto the stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's put the other numbers together. Blue 1, green 2, light blue 3, let's add purple 4, red 5, and green 6. Look how nicely they follow each other. Now the purple 7 and the orange 8. We got it. Let's wait for the shapes to appear. We have light blue hexagons here. There are exactly 8 of them. Let's put the light blue 8 in its place and slide all 8 pieces onto the last stack. That's a very tall tower. Do you like popsicles? I love them. Let's arrange them by numbers. Popsicle number 1 is red, 2 is orange, 3 is green, and 4 is blue. Yum, those look so good. Let's continue. Purple 5, pink 6, and brown 7. Then the red 8, and finally, a beautiful orange popsicle. Look at this bright orange popsicle. It was hiding number 9, and we also found these beautiful blue flowers to go with it. Now, let's put number 9 in its place on our wooden board. Excellent! And we also need to add 9 blue flowers to this tall pole. Wait, what do we have here? We found a mysterious blue lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 dots on the lock. We are going to need something with the number 10 to open it. Look, here is a blue key, and it has the number 10 on it. This must be the right one. Let's try it. We put the key in and... click! The lock is open. We did it! Inside the lock, we found 10 blue octagons. Now we can put our last number, number 10, in its place on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Look at that. Our wooden board is finally full, from 1 all the way to 10. We found every single number today. You were such amazing helpers today. We learned our numbers, sorted colors, opened locks, and had so much fun. I am so proud of you. Thank you for watching our counting adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so we can learn together again soon. See you next time. Bye-bye.